In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a new feature that will make your iPhone vibrate whenever you enable the silent mode. As you can see, silent mode is on. Then whenever I have an incoming call on my iPhone, the silent mode is going to vibrate, notifying me that I have an incoming call. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to make your iPhone to vibrate in silent mode on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Now once you selected that, under ringtones and alert, come here and select haptics. Then you have always play. This is going to always play the haptics whenever you have an incoming call or text message on your iPhone. Then you say play in silent, don't play in silent, and never. Now if you select play in silent, your iPhone will vibrate whenever your iPhone is in silent mode and you have an incoming call or text message. Then once that is done, just come back and go back to your iPhone home screen. And whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone on silent mode, your iPhone will vibrate. So this is how you can easily make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.